Alright, so in order to test these parts, how funny, eh? It's ground off. In order to test these parts, the compressor, you just need airline, power, and I guess this would be solenoid, and perhaps maybe a temp sensor or something. And we'll hop in the car and try it out. If it works, then we can install it properly without wasting our time. Did I leave the keys in it? Nope. Grab the key. The other two lines that you see on the compressor, one is, I think, is intake and one's exhaust. So let's see. That sounded like it. Sounds like it's running.